We got a 4-inch slab of Cor-Tuf material. It's been cured for 30 days now. We're going to do a bowling ball test, 22.5 feet, and then we're going to go with a 67.5 pound block and see how the Cor-Tuf stands up to it. I'll get out of the way. Up, broke the bowling ball. This is what Cor-Tuf does to a bowling ball, right there, from 22.5 feet. Don't know what the terminal velocity is on that, but it's something. Placed again, we have 2 iron beams under the Cor-Tuf at these points, testing the true strength of the material. Yeah. Oh, look what it does. We have no dents, no dings, no nothing. Cor-Tuf material, 2 to 0.